Let's start off with a question that we had. I want to ask this question, right? Because it's I hear a lot of people ask, and it's not just in cybersecurity, it's in all aspects of tech, all right? So the question is, how would I obtain experience outside of work so I'm not dead weight the first few months of just job shadowing?
Okay, that sounds like let me make sure that I understand. How do I what I heard is how do I join cybersecurity or take on a new role and be proactive in those in that position? How do I bring the most value on my when I join a new team? Is that correct?
That's correct.
Awesome. Well, what I'll say is the first step is familiarity with the job title. I think you talked about a little bit earlier on your YouTube channel, and for those who weren't tuning in, just being able to research and do your own due diligence so that you understand what skills are going to be expected. Um, I know that sometimes it's not financially possible for us to like build full grown labs to learn an enterprise environment, but for most of the part, I think here's the best thing that I can tell you: take a deep breath. You got the job, and you got the job because you met a couple core things. One, you're a good culture fit, and two, you possess the skill set or the propensity to be able to acquire that information or the knowledge set necessary for you to be successful in those things, in those roles. So understand that even at the senior level, as you go and you work in different areas, or for different companies, not different areas, but different companies. For instance, if I'm a SOC analyst for Ernst Young and then KPMG, the skill sets are typically similar, but they're going to teach you the nuance that's how they do business with that specific corporation. So just bone up on what without understanding what particular job you're going after. What I will tell you is a pretty blanket statement, and I apologize for this, but um, take your time, look at the job description, go learn what they're asking you for. You can find that in a myriad of different ways. There are online things that exist, and there are localized things that you can spin up. So if you're going to be a system admin, learn a little bit about IAM, learn a little bit more about about building endpoints and how they interact within the overall infrastructure of the business. I think I'm approaching probably what 20 seconds.
Anything else, or are you good to go with that?
I'm trying to be respectful of the time,
All
man.
right.
So
Well, in that
I
case,
can go on and go on. So
all right, time is up. You're not going to hear my sound effects, but I'm going to do them
I
anyways.
heard
All
the
right. So
Jeopardy news. I heard that. Yeah.
when we end a question, we're going to go with.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.
Enigmatic Joker.